Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken congee, and these are the ingredients that you need. About half a pound of chicken. I use chicken thigh, but you can use chicken breast or any kind of chicken, and I cubed it, so it's in a small cube. 1 tablespoon of ginger. This is minced ginger, and this is a shredded ginger. So, and then a green onion. These are for garnish, so this one will be going with the marinade with the chicken. And then 1 cup of long grain rice, oil, water, cornstarch, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, sugar. Okay, so I'm going to rinse the rice. So I'm just do it in the pot. I suppose I can use a small container, but I don't want to do more work than necessary. So I just do it straight from the pot. You have to rinse it like 2 to 3 times like this. Okay, my rice has been rinsed, and it's the water is clean, so it's 1 to 9 ratio. So 9 cups, 1 cup of rice. And 9 cups. Now I have put the water in the rice. I'm going to turn on the stove in high and just let it cook. In the meantime, waiting for the congee to boil, I am going to marinate the chicken cube. So you put in half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy, and then about a teaspoon of cornstarch, and then just mix. And then I'm going to add in the ginger cube, the minced ginger, because I have picky eaters. They won't eat ginger if I slice it like that, so I have to do it like this so everything gets eaten in the congee. So this shredded will be for garnish, and also this onion will be for garnish. So let it sit until the congee is almost done. So in the meantime, we put it in the refrigerator. Okay, my congee is not boiling yet, but I'm going to check on it. I do not want anything to stick on the bottom. So right now it looks like this. So just use a spatula and clean the bottom. Okay, nothing sticks to the bottom, so I'm going to cover it back up and wait until it boils. The congee is boiling, so you can see the steam. Be careful. So make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom again. Nothing sticks. Very good. So now at this point, I'm going to put in a tablespoon of oil. Let the congee cook like this for 15 minutes. Okay? Uncover, no cover, otherwise it spills all over the place. Okay, the congee has been boiled for 15 minutes, no cover, so the texture is like this. And now I am going to turn off the heat and cover. I'll let it sit for half hour and then I can check it. It's been half hour and I'm checking my congee, and the texture, oh, nothing sticks to the bottom, and the texture is like this. If you like it, you can add the chicken in, but I want to cook it a little bit more. I like more mushy. Okay, so I'm going to turn it high again and then let it cook for another 10 minutes and then cover. Okay, I am going to check on the congee to see if it's the texture that I want it. So, okay, this is good enough for me. And like this. So I'm going to turn back the stove. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. It's on, my stove is on high. This is the texture that I want, but I have to wait until the congee to be boiled, and then I add in the chicken cube. The congee is boiling and it's the consistency that I want, I am going to add in the chicken cube. But in the meantime, continue stirring it, because right now it's the congee is it can stick to the bottom easily. And if you find the congee is too thick, you can always add in some hot water. I mean, like boiling water, not the tap water, boiling water. Okay, we have to continue stirring it until the chicken is until it's boiled. Oh, it is boiling, but the chicken is. Oh, where's my chicken? Come on. Maybe give it another minute or two, and the chicken will be cooked, and the congee is ready. Okay, my congee is cooked. My stove is off, and it's the congee is in the consistent that I want it. And I am going to taste to see if I need to add some salt. To me, it's good enough. But if it's not salty enough for you, you can always add some salt. So I'm going to pour into the bowl. And then garnish with some pepper, not pepper, green onion and some ginger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.